Hello everybody, again from simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue our product description part in the primary steps for the HACCP. Also, as I have mentioned before, you can hear from view, you can put the navigation pen and know what are the 5 primary steps. First one, the HACCP theme. Second one, the product description. We can close the navigation pen, no problem. Now we are talking about the biological, chemical, and physical characteristics of your product. There is very important website. Okay, you can know all the product. When you search on Google, for example, you search for very important website, the Codex Alimentarius. This Codex Alimentarius, when you enter this website, you will find very useful and many titles and many standards for many products, and also it was sponsored by the FAO and the WHO. So when you in the search blank cell, when you write juice, for example, you will find here general standard for fruit juices and nectars. So it is in many languages, in English, French, Spain, Arabic, Russian, many languages, and you will find its reference sorry, CXS247 sorry, 2005. And when you go download this standard, you will find the name, and it was called the General Standard for Fruit Juices and Nectars. So by this way you can find all the topics related to your product, and when you download it by this type, you will find many useful data. Okay, where is your target? When you make Ctrl+F and write here orange, you will find many topics related to orange juice, as you can find here. Okay, very useful data. You must read it carefully, and also read your local governmental standards for your product. For example, for me there is the Egyptian standard, so I must download it from the official website and purchase the standard if it's by money. So you can download all these standards and find all the components and all the elements related to your product. So the data I have collected, that the biological, chemical, and physical characteristics. So we'll start with the biological. So I'll start here that all the characteristics right here are according to the Codex Alimentarius. No, it's not mentioned. Okay, I will add it to the dictionary. And we must mention the number of the codex. It was 247 codex stand. Okay, this is our standard number. And for example, and the Egyptian standard number 686/PI-2005. You must be updated with all the new standards or local standards. So We'll start with the biological standard. Start with the biological standards. Pathogen free sensitive ingredients. Okay, free from salmonella. Okay, and also we'll mention that the received fresh orange fruit free from microorganisms according to the CO certificate of analysis, okay, which mentioned as prerequisite program. Okay, also controlled by sorting process, which is operational prerequisite program, and pasteurization, which is critical control program. And there is also here an important note that the pasteurization are from 90 to 105 Celsius. Okay, how we write Celsius here? Write insert symbols, more simple. You will find this. Okay, close and see Celsius for 25 to 30 seconds. So these are the pasteurization. Okay, these are the biological standards. Okay, now we will write the physical standard. So this must be mentioned for all the standards of your product. So ingredients free, salmonella. Okay, physical standard. That our orange juice are free from orange peel, orange shell, and foreign materials. Okay, controlled by filtering, which is filtering process, which is operational prerequisite program, X-ray control, which is mentioned as critical control point. Also, we must mention that the texture and color are homogeneous. course have the characteristics and taste of orange juice. So by this sentence we have mentioned all the chemical, physical and biological, we have mentioned the our biological standard, physical standard, or we can mention it as the not standard, we can mention as the biological characteristic and physical characteristics. The last thing, the chemical characteristic. I'm writing step by step with you all how we can write it, completely. Okay, the sentence we write here, the product is completely devoid of flavoring from real oil. Okay, the acidity percentage is calculated as citric acid. Okay, range within range of 2.5%. Okay, for example, from where that I have brought for the citric acid range and this part from the codex or from the standards. Okay, there is many another data about, I will not write it in details. You can go back. Okay, I'll write it quickly. The percentage of the phosphorus within a range of 0.035%. Okay, ash to be within 0.3 to 0.6%. For example, the percentage of the volatile oil to be within limits of 0.4 milliliters, not meters. Okay, milliliters, okay, per each kilogram. Okay, and also finally there is the contaminants percentage in our products. The contaminants, we must mention the arsenic percentage, lead, copper, zinc, iron, tin, some of copper, zinc, and iron, sulfur dioxide. Okay, all this data about all these elements you can find it in the codex. Okay, so now we have finished all the very important topic about the biological and physical and chemical characteristics of our orange juice. Again, quick review. We have finished the product categorization. the product composition and the process steps. Okay, we have also finished the we have finished also the biological, chemical, and physical properties of our product. Biological, chemical, and physical. Stay with us with our channel Simply Foodea, and we will continue inshallah in the upcoming video the shelf life, packaging, labeling, and the target market. And best of luck of all of you, and goodbye.